Hi YouTube, it's me, Thornton Player. Today is March 12th, 2017. It's daylight savings time, so be sure to set your clock hours ahead. So what's going on with this video here? What you see here is a very difficult build. It took me about 7.5 hours to make, including with this. This is the homemade Howard the Duck's code key, and what it does, it gains access to the control panel for the coordinates for different sectors in space, like observatory or what have you. These are the knobs right here and here. The name of the sector is here. Hand scanner. Little slot for the code key. Like I said, all the code key, and this took about 7 hours to make. Again, so how much it took me, but this is made out of foam board, cardboard, electric tape, hot glue, electric tape, some acrylic paint, blue and red, and I spray paint the hand scanner green. And these are the buttons to press to access your key as it's inserted into the slot, like so. Perfect. All it needs is a big coat of black spray paint, which I'll probably get tomorrow, hopefully. And this was an inspiration from Howard the Duck film, which I got the movie on my files there. And it looks pretty amazing. 4 to 7 hours to work on making this prop. So, yeah, there's a platform underneath, all made of foam board and cardboard and hot glue and duct tape. I'm going to use painter's tape on the dials and on the coordinate screens here and here and here. The name of the sector that I've dabbed on with regular acrylic paint is the sector. That's my preference anyways. All in all, this was a unique challenge to make. What's inside of the foam board is more boxes hot glued together with electric tape and some other duct tape and more hot glue. 5 sticks basically to make the whole thing. Anyways, that's about this video. I'll do more prayer. Do sub, give my shout out upon request only. With that shout request, be sure to screen below with any of my videos, including my discussion box. I do 3 videos every Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you're a subscriber, and thank you for subscribing. If not, what do? Hit that button. You can follow me on Facebook and on Patreon. Both links are also on the screen below. And this is my homemade Howard the Duck's movie prop control panel with the code key. Later.